Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest hashtag. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest hashtag problem, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about Pinterest. Then you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about your Pinterest app. When you'll find it, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.